Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Whoa! Whoa! That one's blue. That one is red, Tabs. Oh, and that one is green. I wonder, why are fireworks different colors? Great idea, Tabs. Let's go investigate. I'm gonna need helicopter blades and a grabber arm.
Helicopter blades, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Oh, no. Never get too close to fireworks. Be safe. Give them some space.
Okay. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We were just wondering how fireworks get their colors.
Hi, I'm Penny. I'll spin you a tale all about it. Whee! First, you have to know that fireworks are little rockets filled with black powder, which burns fast and sends the fireworks as high as 1,000 feet into the air.
Whoa, that's pretty high. Good idea, Tabs. Let's get a better look at the fireworks in the sky. Will you join me in the Blippi-mobile, Penny?
Sure.
Whoa! Great!
Even in the air, remember to stay safe and give them space.
So colorful!
Packed into the top of the firework are metal salts called stars. Just like different foods have different flavors when you eat them, different metal salts burn different colors when you ignite them.
Watch out! Here comes another one, Tabs! Tabs, are you okay? I told you, stay safe and give them space.
We should get down to the ground or we'll all miss the big ending.
You're right, let's go!
Here it comes, the grand finale!
Whoa!
Whoa, look at that!
What an amazing show! And now I have the answer to my question. Why are fireworks different colors? Fireworks are different colors because of the different metal salts they burn. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Penny.
Bye, Blippi.